Oh yeah. All right. So we are now live. Okay, man. Whew. A good night of sleep. Whew. Feels good. Feels good. All right, let's take a look at this. Okay, so this is my chart from yesterday. Just before Asian session, and basically I was talking about um, sell only under this zone, buy because we need to come back in that H4 golden zone to start coming down again. Um, so that's something I was discussing with students. This is my buy from yesterday, so let's delete that. Actually, let's delete that also. Okay, so basically was talking about this trade idea. If you look on 1 hour, it's even cleaner. If you look on 1 hour, you get this double bottom. More aggressive entry was right here on the break of this zone here. Because on 30 minute we had a small range. So I said break and retest. I know there's people who took it on the break of the high, but the other opportunity here was when we were breaking this major QP, we had this dogtail setup. So basically price came down, retest that QP, and once you broke the high, I think there was a pretty good entry right there. Or we had the official. I didn't see that just earlier, but we had a break, retest, support form, so you can take it when you break the support because this is at 10 a.m. So you know there's volume in the market at this time on Asian session, so you can take it on the break of the resistance. Sorry. So that's something pretty good. Or you can actually take it on the candle opening here, but the problem is price came down to your entry and probably got stopped right here. So this one was a little tricky here. Um, and yeah, so but if you look at 1 hour, um, yeah, you had that break and retest twice actually. But if you do this, I'm just curious, trying to see how I would catch this move if I was awake. Yeah, so we had this golden zone rejection right here. So this was the other opportunity right there. So support was formed, and I think entry can be taken as soon as you break the high here on this candle at 4 a.m. Eastern. So I think that was the best opportunity actually because we had the break, we had a retest plus a golden rejection. So yeah. But we had twice the same opportunity. So if you got stopped out here, this is very unlucky. And you had a second opportunity to give your trade a second chance right there. Yeah. So this is how I would have kept this. Sorry.
With the last trade you just mentioned, was that golden zone?
Yes.
Because I took that trade and some other guy was telling me that it's not valid
Why is that?
because he said it didn't form a high or something like that.
No, this doesn't matter. This is the last impulse push, right?
Yeah.
So no, it's still
I
valid.
took it, stopped out.
Oh, it's valid in the fact that we know it's already counter trend trade based on H4 because this is the H4 golden zone. So of course, if you do your fib um, on a counter trend trade, you know that it's more risky. It's less um, there's less probability to be working great, right? Because you're going against the major the higher time frame, but it's whoops, it can still be valid here. So it all depends on what you're trying to do. But yes, you gotta understand this is more risky, right? But we planned that yesterday. Yesterday we planned that price was coming down and needs to retrace on H4 right in this golden zone before coming back down. So now we entering this golden zone. So now it can be tricky. We have this double bottom here. This actually perfect bottom, double bottom here on H4. Ooh, I didn't look at that. And yeah, you had this neckline here on H4. So, phew, that was pretty good.
I was
Man,
thinking about taking a bar entry when I saw it close above the neckline.
yeah, entry on H4 would be right around here, around 1 a.m. So basically, when you see price coming down and now coming back up after, when it broke the high, I think that was a pretty good entry right there. Yeah, came down, reject, grab a liquidity wick, and reject major QP 149, break the high, boom, let's go. So yeah, I think on H4, man, on H4 was super. Wow. Wow. So sorry, guys. I'm going upside down right now. I didn't do the top down analysis. I just woke up, right? So I'm just pretty happy that this plan actually worked out, and we planned that yesterday. So all right, so now let's start with first thing first, right? I didn't welcome anyone. So welcome everyone on YouTube. If it's your first time here, this is a Franglish session. So I'll be bouncing from French to English, answering questions. And we're gonna analyze charts, give trade ideas. So that's how it's gonna go. Donc bienvenue à tous. Ceci est une session en franglais. Donc je vais passer du français à l'anglais, répondre aux questions, analyser des charts, donner des idées de trade. Principalement, si vous voulez envoyer votre chart, tout simplement cliquez sur la caméra ici dans TradingView à droite et tout simplement copier la fin du lien. Donc, c'est-à-dire de la barre oblique X jusqu'à la fin. Boom. All right. Yeah, I just fixed that as you were talking. I was as you were saying it. I just realized that. No, I'm not in any trade because I just woke up. Hi, why is the link of funding talent not working? Oh, really? I need to verify that. But you can find it on my profile on Instagram, and my Instagram name is right here. Okay. All right, so this is it. Um, happy trading today. All right, yes, sir. All right, so now let's. Good morning. Donc, vraiment content ici que ce trade-là qu'on a planifié hier fonctionne vraiment. On avait dit que le prix doit revenir dans la golden zone ici pour continuer plus bas. Puis si on brise évidemment cette golden zone-là, ben, on va continuer tout simplement vers le haut. So, basically, like I was saying, this was planned yesterday, and it's actually working pretty well. Of course, if we break this golden zone now, we're just going to keep continuing up. But we got to keep in mind that this golden zone start rejecting. It will be a retracement basically um, on H4, right? So price came down, needs to come back up here, this golden zone, to continue down. So this is where you start understanding your chart more when you look at higher time frame and you put it in confluence with lower time frame. That's how you're not going to be trapped into what you think it was a fake out, but it was not a fake out. It was just something to work with the higher time frame. All right, so now let's start from the monthly very quickly. Actually, let's. You know what? Let's go delete everything here. Actually, I'm gonna leave the H4 golden zone right here. Let's remove this. This. All right, that should be good. Okay, let's start with the monthly. All right, so looking at the monthly, basically straight bullish, right? The monthly, since we tap close to that weekly resistance that we're gonna see, we start to reject down. Donc la dernière fois, sur cette chandelle du mois-là, qu'est-ce qui est arrivé? On a eu un push Autour d'une résistance de la semaine, on a commencé à rejeter et depuis ce temps, ben, là, on a une réjection, donc on est bearish dans les autres time frames. Mais jusqu'à maintenant, semblerait qu'on. En tout cas, il reste encore quoi? Il reste 6 jours. Il reste 6 jours à ce mois-ci. Donc, il va falloir voir comment cette chandelle-là va fermer. So we gotta see now. We got 6 days left into this candle. Gotta see how it's gonna close. But so far it's rejecting. So that's why on the lower time frame, we are bearish. Um, right? So look at the weekly. So as I said, on the weekly, we tapped. You see this black line is a weekly wick fill and weekly resistance. So if you look here on the left, right here, right? So price came really, really, really close to it and start rejecting it. We formed resistance last week. We had this huge gap here. It was pretty big. This gap got filled, and after that, shoot down, right? So now we're rejecting the 140, 500 level, and we're coming back up as we speak. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, on a formé une résistance la semaine passée. On a un gros gap ici à remplir. Donc, on est monté vers le haut rapidement pour remplir le gap. Et après ça, on a commencé à descendre tout simplement. Si tu regardes aussi, on a tapé très proche d'une résistance sur le chart de la semaine, juste ici. Et depuis ce temps-là, on a commencé à descendre. Mais maintenant, on rejette le QP 140. Oh, that was 148,500. 48,500. Donc 148, 500. Ou 750. 500. All right, so anyways, let's go to the daily. Looking at the daily right now, I mean, looking at the daily, we are still trending bullish, right? So this is a retracement down, but the thing is, we broke this support right here on the daily. So if you look, since we broke this support, look like price is coming back down. But now if we form support here with that daily, looks like price gonna come back up. And if we do a fib here on the daily, look like we are rejecting this safety net here. Um, so we gotta wait and see, but yeah. So anyways, so yeah, so this is just to give us an idea, right? Um, Donc, si on regarde le chart de la journée, si on remarque que le trend est encore bullish. Par contre, ici, depuis qu'on a brisé le support qui est ici, qu'on a fermé en bas le support, c'est un changement de direction. Donc là, on a une tendance vers la baisse. Par contre, j'ai vraiment un feeling que on va former un support ici et qu'on va recontinuer vers le haut. So I really have this feeling that we're going to form support today and just going to keep continuing up, right? Because this trend is super strong. And I don't see how the yen can be stronger than the pound as we speak right now, based on fundamentals. I didn't see anything that can push the yen price really, really hard, right? So that's something else I need to keep in mind. All right. So now let's take a look at the 4 hour. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart du 4 heures, donc on regarde sur le chart du 4 heures, we were trending bullish, but since we broke this area here, this support, we are seeing a change of trend. So now we are trending bearish on 4 hours. So that's why we did this fib from top to bottom. And this is our golden zone here on 4 hours, right? So basically, you do from swing low to swing high to swing low. And this is your zone, your golden zone right here. So when price is coming down, you need price to come up, form resistance, and continue down. So this is on the 4 hour time frame. But if you look, what we got here, we got a reversal pattern. So we got this right here, and We got this entry can be taken at the break of the neckline, so right here on the 4 hour. Let's put this bigger. So actually, we got this double bottom here. This is a reversal pattern. Like I was saying, you can take it on the break of the neckline. So kind of right here, you know. So when we broke previous high, why am I taking this? Why I'm not able to delete? What's up with that? Oh, here we go. What the hell? Okay, we get it. All right, sorry. So basically the neckline is right here. So I think this candle, when it came down and once it broke the high, the entry was right there on H4. And if you have taken this, was a pretty nice entry here on break, and probably already like 40 some pips in profit. Donc, je pense que ce qui arrive ici sur le 4 ans, tout simplement, on a remarqué que la tendance était à la hausse. Par contre, on a eu un changement de structure en 4 heures. Donc, on trend maintenant vers la baisse. Donc, si on fait notre golden zone du haut au bas, ça nous donne cette zone-ci en 4 heures. Et on avait une formation qui est une structure de marché qui va renverser la tendance. Donc, ça veut dire qu'on a un double bas et généralement, le trade va se prendre au break, au bris de la neckline. OK? Donc, la neckline qui est ici. Ouais, donc on aurait pu prendre, après que cette chandelle-là de 4 heures soit venue vers le bas, décide de briser le haut. Je crois que la bonne entrée sur le 4 heures est exactement ici. Donc, on pourrait aller voir maintenant. So if we look at this, now we can identify this zone. Let's do this right kind of here. So let's go in lower time frame and try to see if we can get an entry based on this. Donc maintenant, on va aller voir sur les time frames plus bas s'il y aurait eu un endroit qu'on aurait pu prendre une entrée. So let's take a look at this right here. So looking at H1 right now, I mean, we had this double bottom also. And this tool is annoying. The last time using this. So we still had this double bottom also on 1 hour. And the neckline was right here on 1 hour. So actually, yeah, so the neckline was right here. So yeah, I think this, yeah, oh man, I missed this entry basically. On at 6 a.m. That was the safest entry. At 6 a.m. So basically, price came and broke. All right, so the price came and broke that zone, closed right at it. So I think on that 6 a.m. Oh, actually, it's way too early for that. But we had a dogtail setup here. This is a little early for my dogtail setup. I've got to look on 30 minute how it looks like. But basically, price came down, break the high. So this is a more risky entry because it's early for that dogtail setup. But on the break of the high, that's something you can do. Looking at the 30 minute, yeah, same idea here. The 30 minute. Um, so yeah, just trying to see how we could have catch this move. Donc principalement, si on regarde sur le 1 heure, donc l'entrée était après cette neckline-là, donc en 1 heure. If you look on 30 minutes, yes. Donc c'était vraiment pour trouver l'entrée sur les time frames plus bas. Ça aurait été sur une entrée impulsive qui est un peu plus risquée car il est un peu tôt pour les entrées impulsives à ce niveau-ci. Donc, alright, so now let's go do our zone here on 4 hours. Alright, so we got this support here. Support. We got this resistance that got broken. And next level here on 4 hours is going to be right here. Ouais, c'est normal. Donc, ça, c'est les zones que j'ai sur le 4 heures. Donc, on a notre support ici, on a une résistance ici qui a été brisée et le prochain niveau est ici. Donc, voyons voir sur le 1 heure. So, looking at 1 hour now, let's adjust our zone. So, I think this support here makes sense. Right? Got this resistance. Donc, on a cette résistance-là, on a ce support-là. We got this level that got broken, which is still valid here. Good. We have this minor zone here on H1. Donc, on a cette résistance-là sur H1. Yeah, look good. 30-minute. 30-minute. What we got? What we got? What we got? So 30-minute, yeah, pretty much the same. We got a minor resistance here. On 30-minute right here. So maybe, and we got a couple minor resistance here, but I'm gonna stick with this H1 level. We still have some problem here. So we might form resistance around here. You know what? Let's put this minor zone. This price is definitely having an issue here. And yeah, I think that makes sense. That makes sense, but I think now we're coming down. So we tap into that golden zone. I think if we form resistance right here, we might see price coming down at least to this fib play here. So that would be the H1 counter trend trade golden zone. So we gotta see. What time is it? 7:05. So actually, this candle just closed now, 30-minute with a huge rejection here, indicating a lot of bearish pressure right now. Look at H1. H1 is not closed, so I think if H1 close bearish, I think it will be a great opportunity to come down. But I still think our price needs to come back over here before shooting down. So we gotta see. We gotta see.
News, Sasha, in 14 minutes.
Oh, thank you. Let's take a look.
News.
Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, Bailey speaking, right? Oh, yeah, actually, that happened already. Where are we? We're here. So BDB. So that's just. This was some small news here. Okay, so I guess this was actually worse than expected. And the rest is all USD. Okay. Yeah, didn't have that on Forex Factory. What's up with that? So weird. So weird. That's why I don't like Forex Factory these days. I don't know. I don't really trust them. I think my FX book and Forex Live are way much better. Um So anyways, yeah, let's go to Gouvernement de la Banque du Japon. Okay, so this is Bank of Japan's peak in 12 minutes. Ooh. So it's probably gonna say something positive, right? Gonna assume, but um take a look at what happened here. Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right, all right, all right. Let's do. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's see if we have any question here. Are you thinking to entry shorts? Probably, yes, if we form resistance. Sasha, you drinking beer right now? Crack open a cold one, mate. No, man. Too many beers these days, and I'm supposed to be slacking off with our 90-day challenge. I actually did. I actually did, because usually I'm like at least four big one in a night, and now I'm like at one or two. So cut half, cut half of my risk, you know. So yeah, slowly but surely getting there. All right, guys, we got. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. If you're on YouTube, if you're on Zoom, just jump very quickly on YouTube. Just give it a like. That would be very appreciated. Um, but look like I think price needs to come up in this zone, man. First, yeah, I missed this buy. Too bad, so sad. But man, now looking at it, I mean, this was a nice break, retest. This is a write-off candle. This is a nice engulfing candle, creating support. Entry can be taken right there at 6 a.m. on this candle. Hell yeah. God damn. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Yeah, I took that exact trade. Yeah.
Oh yeah? Oh shit, nice. I knew we had some students who had it. Sweet. Oh yeah, the chat. Sorry, man. I forgot about the chat. Always forget. Oops. So that. Um, Malik. Let's start with Malik. This was the first one. All right. So I took entry on week 30-minute bullish close above golden zone. Was impatient entry. Oh man, that's actually good. That is actually pretty good. Stopped out. Oh shit, that's not good. But I think the idea was pretty good though. Let me take a look here. Look at channel 30-minute bullish. Oh, right here. Oh, I thought right here. Oh, wait, when I do this, I thought it was like something right around here. Oh,
Yeah, I
here.
wanted to take a re-entry after that big
Yeah.
bullish candle.
Yeah, because this candle,
Yeah.
guys, this is a write-off candle. So this candle doesn't count, you know.
Yeah, I
Um,
wanted to give it a second try, but
yeah,
then I
yeah.
was told other ideas.
Um, yeah, no, this you gotta be more patient because this candle is really invalid. So this is not a buying confirmation, right? So you gotta wait for this kind of candle. This is a nice confirmation, very nice confirmation.
just one question. Like we have drawn the 50 here, so we need a breakout structure, right? Like draw the 50th level.
You can still draw that fib level. It just you gotta understand that you're going against a high time frame fib, right? So it's still valid, but you gotta understand that it's more risky.
But because I didn't count this fib level, so I said Malik. So he might.
Yeah, that's fine. You know, we're all there to learn, right? So that's good. All right. So that's oh, you had the same idea.
I
Oh,
didn't take any entry, so I want to know that entry or it was all okay.
looking for potential sales below here. Okay. Major QP 149 acted as support in 30-minute candle closed bullish engulfing. The range was so small above. Oh, because of this here. Oh no, here. Okay. How many pips was that? From there to there? Yeah, I guess you know when you're in a situation like that and you take it with a lower risk, when you get in there, just put your stop at break even because you know it can retrace against you at any time because you're hitting that resistance, right? And you have a tight range. So yeah, of course it's more risky for sure, for sure. Um scene. Scene, Yassine.
He's making money.
Oh, Yasin is making some real money. Yoo-hoo, sheesh. TP2 got hit. Wow, man. That is amazing. Very good, my friend. Very good, Yassine. Man, it's all because of that one-on-one, right?
Oh, sense now.
Nice, man.
Moi, ma question, là, c'est comment avoir assez de confiance pour buy alors que.
Cette résistance-là ici. Ah, je savais que t'allais dire ça. Um, so the question here from Mark is how to get confidence enough to break this zone since we're buying like kind of right here, right? But you are right. Yeah, that's it. It's a more aggressive entry. It's more risky.
You know what helped me with that was looking at 1 hour. So the 1 hour was bullish and it was bullish too. So that helped me like have more confidence to set up. So
Yeah, I think that's what I've yeah, you see this H1 was really nice. Actually you broke that and on H1 you have a lot of room, right? So if you look on 30, the thing with 30 minutes sometimes it will stop you from taking trades, right? Because it's more noisy. It's like if you look at 15-minute, man, you're gonna stop yourself taking trades from everywhere. Just like it's so much noise on 15 minutes. 30-minute, it's a little better, right? But it's still noisy. Look at H1. If you look at H1, you look at this, I mean, the resistance right here. So basically, I mean, you can take it here. This is more risky again because this is based of an impulse entry on the at what time was that? 5 a.m., right? So it's more risky, of course, right? So you can take it on the break here. If you look at lower time frame, right here, you know, it forms support. But yes, higher time frame like H1 was super powerful bullish right here. So I mean, you got a lot of confirmation here that we're coming back up, right? But of course, you got to keep in mind this resistance here. This resistance was an issue kind of right here. So yes, so you got to be very careful, you know. But yeah, I think that made sense though, because you had this nice engulfing candle. So if you remove this doji, like I said, this is a nice engulfing candle closing right at resistance. So I think next candle when it broke the high was safer. But yes, I mean you can take a lower. That's what we discussed actually. I think we discussed that into our one-on-one. I said, you know what? When you're attempting to take something and you see the setup makes sense, just enter with a lower risk, you know, even if it's a tiny, tiny, tiny risk, like a 0.000001, who cares? It's just to get some feelings and build that confidence, you know? So at least you are into something and you're able to journal it after and see how it played out. So next time this thing happened, you're gonna be able to take a smart decision and say, hey, you know what? I tried that already. I mean, 4, 5, 6 times with the low risk, it worked out like 5 times out of 6 for me. So you know what? Let me increase my risk a little bit.
The
You know?
last couple ones,
Yeah. So
yeah,
I think that's something to keep in mind.
that's sure. Was it also safe because Candle already made the bottom wick?
Yes, correct.
Because
Yes.
I entered on the break of the high.
Yes,
So
exactly.
yeah,
So the bot the this was a dogtail setup, right? So
yeah,
basically wick came down and break the high after. So it was a pretty nice dogtail. Still early for that dogtail setup. It's more risky, but when you see something like this, I mean, why not, you know, try it with a low risk, right? Donc la question était que c'était risqué étant donné qu'il y avait une zone ici. Mais je pense que on avait discuté dans un à un avec Yacine, c'était justement de prendre, s'il y avait un setup qui voyait qui faisait du sens, euh, mais que des fois, il s'empêchait de prendre des trades souvent. Ce que je lui avais dit, c'est essaye-le avec un risque très petit. Comme ça, au moins, ça va te permettre de pouvoir construire cette confiance-là, puis de voir si ce genre de setup-là marche pour toi dans le futur. Euh, puis, c'est que c'est mieux que paper trade parce que si tu fais un paper trade, la réalité, c'est que tu n'as pas d'émotion. Même si tu risques 1 dollar, là, il n'y a aucun être humain sur la planète Terre qui aime perdre 1 dollar. OK? Même l'homme le plus riche sur la planète Terre, là, il va jamais pitcher une pièce à terre. Il va peut-être la donner à un itinérant. OK? Il va peut-être la donner à un itinérant. Il va peut-être la donner à quelqu'un. Mais il va pas la perdre pour la perdre, sa pièce, parce qu'il a travaillé fort. So, il n'y a aucun être humain qui aime perdre de l'argent. Donc, même si tu rentres avec un petit risque, je pense que tu as des émotions à gérer. So, something here we kind of discussed. I think it was with Yassine, but actually I was saying that take smaller risk, and it I think entering a smaller risk is better than paper trade sometimes because at least you have some emotion in play. Even if it's $1, even if you lose $1, dude, they're the richest person on earth will not lose $1 just to lose $1. It will not drop $1 in the street just for the fun of it. It might actually give it to someone that needs it, but it will not just lose that dollar just for the fun of it. So I think that getting into a trade with a smaller risk sometimes can be a little better than paper trade because you got some emotion in play, even if it's a smaller risk. So, anyways, this is just my opinion about it. Um, yeah. So let's see. Let's see. Um, hey, what's up, Rages? Sasha, I'm gonna hear they let the dogs out today or not. I don't know. Waiting for a nice setup. Waiting for a nice setup. I woke up late, so I missed the trade. So yeah, I'm in vacation, so I'm just enjoying my time. Um, yeah, I think it's really important. You know, man. Yesterday we were shopping for kitchen. Whew, that kitchen is gonna be quite something. Let's take a look at GA. Oh, GA. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so this was my chart from yesterday on GA. This anything played out here, so we didn't came down here. Okay, so perfect. So this was a possibility, right? Because I saw this forming, so I was like, all right, so maybe. Um, Let's remove that. Let's remove that. H4 golden zone. So actually we went up there, right? And now price is coming down, went up into that golden zone. How come just playing games here? Huh. But forming lower highs here on GA on a smaller time frame. Oh, okay, okay. Let's delete all this. Um, okay. All right, so monthly. So I'm gonna do this one pretty quickly. Um, all right, so monthly there, weekly. Weekly is trending up, right? Um, actually, the main trend is down. Daily, what's up with daily? Daily since 21st of January. Kind of, we broke the structure right here, so it looks like now we're trying to come up because before that, on the daily chart was mainly bearish. It looked like now we're trying to push up. We're seeing a change of structure here since we broke those highs here. Yeah, it looked like now we want to be up, came down here. Just one. It's not gonna be super precise. It's just to give me an idea. Exactly. Okay. Okay. Back up. Blah blah blah. Yeah. Now we need to break those daily resistance to continue up. All right. So let's. This is the this is horizon right here. Okay. Wow. This cannot be more precise than this. Wow. How beautiful is that? Man, price came down, support form. QP doesn't work, right? So price came up, down. So now this candle retest this QP. I think when it came back above this QP, boom, let's go. Um, yeah, pretty amazing. So see, take it here, and on 4 hours, you went to 50 pips profit just based on that 4 hour. I'm sure we can get some more confirmation on the lower time frame. Donc, juste basé sur le 4 heures ici, sur le fib, on voit ici qu'il y avait un fib en 4 heures. Donc, on a un support qui a été formé, avec ça, le prix a jeté vers le haut. But we failed at breaking this high, though. So, now it looks like price is coming back down again. This fib will not be valid anymore, of course, because this play already happened. But I'm just going to leave it there just to see where the entry was on GA, the perfect entry. So just going to leave it there just for an example. Donc je vais laisser cette zone-là est plus valide parce que le play est arrivé sur le fib 4 heures. Je vais le laisser là juste pour trouver où aurait été la bonne entrée à ce niveau-ci. I think once we broke this price came down, we form a double bottom here. So this zone right here. So So I guess the best entry was when we form support and close above right here. So this is a write-off candle. So yeah, so we had a break, retest, close above. So I think the entry was on this candle here at 1 p.m. Eastern. So yes, this was the safest entry here. Right here at 2 a.m. Sorry. At 2 a.m. What am I saying? Sorry. 1 o'clock. Sorry, on the 1 o'clock candle. 1 o'clock Eastern. If you look on 30-minute, yeah, same idea. Oh well. This was just to see how we could have gotten this trade. But now let's see. Okay, so now let's see what we got in play for now. So now the important thing to mention here is you see this eye, this eye is lower than this eye, and look like this now is gonna be lower than this. So now we're trying to form some lower highs. It look like price is coming back down once again. When we got this level that's pretty strong, so we gotta wait and see. This major QP might hold, like he said, holding here. So I mean, holding here also. So we gotta see here. So I think this, if this close bullish, um, let's say that around like 9. What time is it? 7:30. So next one 8:30 retest. 9 a.m. candle. Yeah, I think around like 8:30 9 a.m. If we break this resistance here, we can maybe looking at a buy here on GA. That would make sense. If you look on the lower time frame, yeah, definitely you want to break this zone because right now it's just ranging between those two QPs, right? Between the 500, 250, actually between those three QPs right now, just bouncing back and forth. Yeah, you want to get out of this. Yeah. I'm not gonna put zone in here because I got my QPs right acting as support and resistance. Also, look at this. Look at this QP, man. Boom, 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 boom. It's crazy. I don't know, Sasha. I don't think QP really works. Yeah, okay. Whatever you say. Hey Sasha, do you drink Henny? Oh, Heineken? No. Or drink in the morning? Are you crazy? I'm not an alcoholic. I like beer, but I'm not retarded, you know? Just like, what's up with that? Drinking beer in the morning? What the fuck? Seriously. Jesus. Yeah, I know one guy that eats cereals with beer, and let me tell you, this guy has no life. Yeah, he beat his child also. That's the reason why we get them the beating a couple of years ago. But yeah, that's so retarded. Drinking beer in the morning. I mean, it depends. You know, depends. It all depends. It can happen like once, after a party, fire camp. That can happen. I can see. Yeah, it all depends where you're at in the world also. So yes, there's some exception, right? But mainly not. Um so let's think. Oh god, I was distracted. Why is no one told me, guys? We're supposed to be a team. Yes, I wanted to short.
Attends, on va y voir sur 500 places.
No. Oh well, too late now. God damn it. Yeah. I think it was a great, pretty nice entry at 30 minute. So, how many pips is that?
J'aurais pu te dire ma bad.
Non, c'était à moi de te concentrer, là.
Dans le
7.
fond, il va faire chaud dans pas long, puis il va flex. No, I'm not in it. I thought we were gonna go back up and for a dogtail setup. That's kind of what I'm.
No, because this rejection is pretty strong here. Um, And now we got this nice bearish candle. But let's see if this 1 hour close bearish, I might get a second opportunity. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, Sasha, do you think it will probably like come down and make great support to continue up?
I think the higher time frame is stronger. And if you look on a higher time frame, it's bearish, right? So we just need price to come back up into this golden zone, form resistance, push back down. But on the other end, we also have this reversal pattern. So we are kind of an in between situation here. So it might destroy this golden zone and just continue bullish at this moment also.
Because I was looking at the 1 hour. If you go to 1 hour, I can show you 1 hour. Yeah, maybe get some support at like 149,300, and probably continue on breaks, hit a high, and then come back.
Yeah, that's the other possibility. We might form support
Yeah.
right around here, in this golden zone, and push back up. To be honest, I still think that price needs to come a little higher to form resistance to continue down. But this one, I was looking to sell it on 30-minute, just grab like 11 pips, and that's it, like a quick in and out trade. Since I had some really nice profit yesterday, so I was like, man, just grab a small win here, and that's it. Yeah, yesterday was pretty good, pretty good. I think I did close to 6 or 7% yesterday. Pretty good. Can someone else try the link on YouTube for Funding Tank and let me know if it doesn't work for you too? Hey guys, we got 40 people on here, 16 likes. Okay, let's pull out this button here. Boom! Smash that like button, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Hi Sasha, thanks for advice to build confidence yesterday after NY Open. I also took an entry for GA with a very small risk. Idea was to see if my plan works or don't, and it worked. All right, thanks for your advice. Oh, awesome, Nazir. Awesome. If GJ form a support on the Q 500 QP, would that be a good opportunity to look for buys, or would it be better to let it retest the 1 hour resistance to form support? No, I think it can be a good idea, a good opportunity to buy, to be honest. Yes. Yes. This trade went to 11 pips profit. Ooh. Yeah. Where?
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Kidding. Oh, I'm telling you, I feel like kind of like what Jessine said, might come down to 149,500.
Oh, hold on. We got a message here from Toby. Funding Talent has closed signups until 9 a.m. Eastern. Have to get in early once it opens. It's intake. The only have 100 spot a day available. Oh, that's for the challenge though. That's for the challenge only, I think, if I'm not wrong.
We've had people and they were like saying using on people. That's pretty insane, right?
That's actually a good problem.
Yeah, it's a good problem because their thing exploded.
Yeah. Yeah, I still think they're much better than FTMO, but this is just my personal opinion. I just want to I don't want to start a war here. Um, Here, let's take a look at a chart coming from YouTube. All right, all right. So let's see here. This is the 15 minute. Ooh, 15 minute. All right, so we got some red arrows here. This is, I think it's a strong resistance. Price came up over here, so we draw that fib from there to there, and yeah, heading down in this golden zone. But I'm just curious though, why you having this buy right here? So I don't see, yeah, when you send a chart, it's really important to say, all right, to write something. If I see, I don't know, a support, if I see a wick, if I see, whatever, but I don't understand what's your thought process. It's just like if you wait for a wick down here and you grab your entry, so what's the plan here, So I see your fib. I see that you want to take the entry here, but based on what? Just based on touch of that fib? I think that can be a little risky though. Because if price destroy that safety net, man, price is gonna melt. Um, Maybe potential support. Oh, okay. Yes, I think potential support is gonna be right around here. Yeah, yeah. I think potential is gonna be support is gonna be right around here. I think. But yeah, overall, good idea. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Can't believe I missed it. God damn. All right, guys. I'll be right back. So I guess this would have TP. Oh man, I can't believe I get distracted so easily. Yep, right on the dot, 11 pips. God damn, son. Right on that QP.
I mean, either seems to be not wanting to go much lower.
Yeah, we might form support, like I said, in that golden zone, and we might establish resistance right above here. Come down.
Out of it though. That's yeah. I guess because high time frame is bearish.
What time is it? 7:45. So this 15-minute is about to close. Um, 5 seconds. Oh, and we close right at that 500 QP on the 15-minute. Nice sell after Ducktail. Enter once broke the previous 30-minute candle. Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah, now you want to make sure you secure some profit because this is also the golden zone bullish fib, and you are right at 500 QP. So make sure at least you put your stop at break even. But if you took it, that's the thing. When you took it on a break, though, oh, you took it before. You took it here, I think. Nice sell after dogtail. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. Excellent. 65 off. All right. Oh, Yassine. Something like this would be nice. Okay, let's see. This is GJ 1 hour.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Wait for like for support to be formed, maybe on the 1 hour 30 minute to continue up. That's the high that was created.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Let me check this 1 hour.
Ça serait mon golden trade de la semaine. Là. 4%. Boom. 5. 15. 20.
Yeah, actually, if you put your golden zone on
Yeah,
H1,
is lower.
yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You are right, my friend.
There you go.
Yeah, that make more sense actually. Yeah, that would be perfect.
Louis, ça me Louis, ça fait me prend le du bas au bas de la zone. Je pensais que c'est.
Fix your line. 1 second here. So you see where your resistance is. Move it up a little bit, maybe.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, this here?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
no.
maybe there's some support there, or
Oh, maybe, yeah.
yeah.
But to be honest, the
Or
reason
even
why,
there's fine too.
yeah, the reason why is this is the most recent one. This actually act as the support right here also, So
Yeah.
resistance became support right here, so this is a strong one. Yeah, that makes sense. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, make sure to give a like to the stream, guys. Don't forget, if you didn't subscribe to the channel so you know next time I go live. And by the way, next time I go live would be... Hold on, wait a second. We are Thursday. I'm so lost. Are we Thursday? Yes, we are. Okay, so tomorrow night, Friday, Forex Talk over here. By the way, if you didn't watch yesterday's episode, I think yesterday was really good. To be honest, I went over like this week we had some pretty good trade, winning, losing, but there was a lot of learning this week. To be honest, so you want to rewatch yesterday for sure. Definitely want to rewatch yesterday. Um, hey Sasha, this is Jay from Roben Drunk FX. May you please check out my chart? Yeah, sure. Just send your chart. Just need to send from the \x to the end. I think will not arrive to cross the neckline of the double bottom pattern. If we actually come down over here, this would be actually a break and retest of that neckline. When you think about it. So basically, yeah.
Si on redescend, on va peut-être aller faire une formation shampoing.
So basically, if we come down over here, that would be the break and retest of that neckline. And what do you see? You see head and shoulder. Oh yeah, no, this is not valid because of this.
Ouais, mais mettons qu'on prend une grosse tête, là.
Ouais, c'est un peu stretchy, là. C'est un peu stretchy, là. Mais,
creating his patterns.
that's it. Yeah, no, I think if we come down over here and form support, it will be a nice nice break and retest of that neckline. Actually, pretty good. Oh, baby. Oh, let's take a look at Jay's chart. Yeah, if you try to send a full link on YouTube, never work. You need to send just this part here. Waiting for support. Oh, wait a second. Waiting for support, higher low for possible buys around the golden zone. Yeah, just spoke about that. Yeah, perfect, man. Makes sense. Makes sense. This is on the 15-minute. Yeah, I would definitely not use 15-minute if for myself. But yeah, it can make sense. It can work out on 15-minute also. But 15-minute, you gotta understand this is a week confirmation time frame. Super duper weak. Man, this trade, I'm a little mad about missing. Because I had it planned in my mind, and that pissed me off. Yeah, 14 pips, 15 pips.
Nice close too, huh? 3 minutes, Eric engulfing.
Look at this, man. PTP 15 pips. Oh,
yeah, I see it too now, and I'm.
Holy, je viens juste d'avoir un cowboy salesman sur GU.
Qu'est-ce que tu viens d'arriver, ça?
T'es là.
Ouais, c'est ça.
C'est parce que je t'ai remonté ma chaise, je viens de recevoir ma chaise.
Jimmy lui fait tout le temps ça. Jimmy c'est comme, tu sais, les boîtes, là, tu sais, que tu tournes. Tidin, 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 puis là, pouf, il sort de la boîte.
Ah, c'est sûr, je pas La montée majeure, je viens de recevoir, fait que ça fait un petit gros glissement sale.
Ah, c'est bon ça.
Ça enlève un peu aussi. Là.
Nice.
Ça va laisser une distance, former un petit support, break le support. Bon. J'ai cut à 10 pips direct sur le 61 tracement. On prendra pas plus de.
C'est bon ça, c'est bon, c'est bon. Alright, so that looks good now. So we talked about GA also, said we're coming on top here. So this...
Un peu là.
Tout le temps un peu là.
Ouais, c'est. Genre, dans les talents, il coupe les places à 5 ans.
À 100?
Hein?
À 100, non?
5.
Ouais.
Il me dit 5 ans.
Ah, 50? Ah, ça
En
se
tout
peut.
cas, je checkais à 10 heures, puis ouais.
Ah ouais, hein?
C'est sold out, je pense, à 9 heures. Sold out.
Wow.
Genre, j'essaie de pogner ton ligne, genre, puis je peux. Genre, j'arrive sur la page, puis je peux même pas.
Hum.
Ils sont en train de manquer d'argent à donner.
Ouais, non, je penserais pas.
Ah ouais. Non, mais si, hey, dis-toi, s'il y a 50 places qui sont réservées à chaque fois, parce que le monde sont. Je sais pas, mais tu sais, on va avoir un paquet de newbies là-dedans.
Hey,
Qui
man.
ouais.
Ben oui, il y en a qui font juste donner leur argent, là. Oh. Okay, now I feel like crying.
Ouais, c'est un beau short, ça, mon gars.
God damn.
C'est un beau bail aussi. Ouais, c'est ça. God. Break la neckline, genre.
Story of my life.
Ah, man, je suis pas dans ma game. Break la neckline du haut. Okay.
Oh, what a rejection here on 4 hour.
Direct sur 750. Pas moins, pas plus. Check ben, le prochain move qu'on va call, ça va être un stop. Murphy là, baby.
Alright, Jay, thank you. Yeah, I usually just use 15-30 minute and trade the structure while I wait for the high or low break to take my entry. I've been trying out fibs again since I've been seeing Sasha been so accurate with them. So I'll wait for the 30 minute for stronger confirmation. Alright, thank you very much, Jay. Yeah, that's the fib is a really good hint, on the market, really good tool. But you need to know when and where to use it. That's a problem. A lot of people just use it everywhere, and that doesn't work very well. The two-headed and shoulder pattern. Oh, the two-headed head and shoulder pattern. Oh, you were referenced by Mark's pattern. Yes. um. Hey, I have a question. Candle with no wick on top in bull candle. So what's the question? This is an affirmation. Candle with no wick on top in bull candle. I don't see. Is it me or I don't see the question?
Moi, en ce moment, je pense qu'il va y avoir un retest de la neckline pour
Dun, 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 dun. So I guess yes, I guess we're gonna get a nice break and retest from that neckline. Neckline's right here, right?
on a 3 bas qui sont plus hauts. Ça forme un new high. Sauf que le 1 hour, il va fermer. Non, il va quasiment fermer un gros fait.
That's good.
Il reste 30 secondes. On le fera pas, non. Should be good.
Yeah, this 1 hour doesn't look gonna be closing with no bottom wick in 9 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No bottom wick.
On est en balle.
Holy. All right. That looks good. That looks good. I would, if you are in that, if you are in this trade right now, make sure you secure some profits, right? You said when candle have no wick, it means there's no range to go up for next candle. It depends. It all depends. Because there's different situation. When you have a bigger wick, and the candle close with no wick, that means there's bullish pressure, bearish pressure. If it just goes like this, like no bottom wick, no top wick, I mean it's a 50% chance, right? So it doesn't mean it will not go, but there's less probability for price to continue down or up.
C'est un beau premier signe qu'on pourrait peut-être ralentir dans la zone d'intérêt.
Exactement. C'est un beau mot, ça, j'haïs pas ça.
Ben, écoute, j'aille pas qu'il faut que j'aille au bureau et tout. Je vais prendre ça au bureau si
Bon, quand est-ce que ça finit,
aller
là, cette histoire d'horreur, là?
YouTube.
Ouais, c'est bon, ça.
Faites attention à ça.
Thank you, thank
Ciao.
you. Bonne journée, ciao.
Ciao.
Wow, G is still respecting that 500 level. But I think GA though, thing with GA is wait a sec. So what I'm thinking is, if we see maybe this candle coming back up and breaking that high, I think it can be a good time for that dogtail setup, maybe on GA. So retest of this neckline. Of course, if it close bearish, that's fine. We're gonna get a classic break and retest, but we might see this with volume. We might see a dogtail setup coming up. So yeah, that's something I'll try to keep an eye on. I guess I need to find a way to plug my fourth screen on my Mac. I'm gonna do that. Same trade on GU as GJ missed two. Damn. Oh, let's take a look at Ryan's trade. Boom, boom. Oh, that's actually good. Wait a second.
Right? Chart so clean.
trade as GJ.
Oh yeah, same trade as GJ. Holy.
I missed that one.
Yeah.
I'm happy we all missed it together then.
Yeah, join the
Makes me feel a little bit better.
join the
Looking
club.
at GA.
We got a club for the missing trade today.
You just one, right?
No, I missed it, but I was looking at it. Then we were looking at GA. We were doing the top-down analysis and missed GJ and this one at the same time.
Yeah, same time.
Yeah.
God damn.
Was against the 4 hours, so just keep it.
It was, but I see every time it hits at a resistance and it has one bullish engulfing and seems to change directions on the
Yeah. This one was pretty nice. Boom boom.
Morning, Sasha.
Hey, morning, Mike. What's up?
I made my day today.
You make your day today? Again?
I sent you in the shot.
Okay, I'll take a look at it. Give me 1 sec. Just trying
10
to.
pips. All it I wanted.
That's perfect, man. Man, you're on the roll, Mike. Since we did that one-on-one, man, you've been like, holy, what a change. What a change.
Only 10 pips. I don't.
That's fine. Perfect. Let's start with that to build confidence, right? Oh, here we go. This is GJ 15. Oh, 15 minute.
No. I mistake. 17.
Uh-huh. Nice try.
No, it's serious.
Send me your finger by mail. I'll slap it. So yeah, so you took it on this break of this resistance.
When broke the resistance science.
What time was that?
Well, this is good. I took in the morning.
Oh, it looks like the same trade you took. Yes, you're right.
6.
Yeah, 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Yeah, that's good, man. Good job, Mike. Well done. Man, students are making more money than me, man. What the fuck? Jeez, that's actually exciting.
Not sleeping in.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Ugh. Man, the thing that you need to look at for kitchen renovation, phew, man, there's a lot more stuff than what I thought. Man, what's up with YouTube, man? 28 likes. We got 50 plus people in here. So let's go. Let's smash that like button, guys. I don't ask for much.
My work is done.
Thanks, bro. Come on, guys. Smash it. No sound? Oh, I guess you gotta put your speaker on. GJ TP smashed. Oh, yes, it did. Oh, yes, it did. But now it's retracing from that golden zone. So we form support. It would be nice. It would be a nice break and retest of that neckline here. Hey, Sasha, are you considering taking buys if 39 minute sup will form? Oh, support. If 30 minute. Oh yeah, well you gotta wait, right? So I mean And what do you think about previous 1 hour bearish close? It closed with no wick at the bottom, so it means there's less probability for price to continue down. And I think that price needed to come down right in this area to continue up, right?
DJ closes like this, moves up, more.
Yep.
Above the 500 KP.
Oh, Eric smashed GJ. All right, that's good, man. This week price did not respected the candle high or lows, or just me. In drawdown this week, but trade worked afterwards. No, I mean price is respecting. No, I don't see that. Price is respecting pretty well. So that's 8, 10, right? So 20 minutes. We should get the NY open volume. Yeah, so GJ, we need a bullish support, and that would be great. G looking to break that high, maybe to grab an entry.
Don't zone is beautiful.
Yeah, boy.
Je pense que texter Marc pour lui apprendre s'il ne voit pas.
Ah, c'est bien plus drôle, il a envoyé nos résultats, man. Hey, bye, Mike. Have a great day, man. Pretty awesome, man. Mike is gaining a lot of confidence. Pretty good. Pretty good. GJ looking pretty good now. Pretty good. We can close above that 500 level. Should go tap into this next QP.
Hey, Josh,
Yes.
I took the door now.
Well, that's
That was
good.
perfect. Yeah.
I actually took an entry on GA.
Oh, really?
Based on the dog tail setup, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Very complex. Yeah, nice.
That makes sense. The volume probably get easily more than 10, 50 pips.
Let's go, baby. GA spread is always a little higher, man. Sucks. I was like at 1.8 pips, if I'm not wrong. It is what it is.
Spreads higher and you get less money per pip.
Sorry?
So the spread's higher and you get less money.
Yeah, true. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. I'm only taking one entry because it would have been safer if this previous candle had closed above this QP, right? So now it's still risky because we didn't close above that QP yet. So
you took the GA entry because of the double bottom.
yeah, based on that dogtail setup here, retesting this neckline from that double bottom, and price was bullish, right? So I mean, overall trend we are bullish. So I'm just waiting for this to happen now. But yeah, it's risky because we are right at resistance, right? But like I said, I'm expecting now the NY open volume to break this resistance. So, there's a few spot in the day that you can expect price to break resistance or support, and then when there's volume in the market, right? So
yeah, I want to make this those times. Still, I don't remember it on my head.
yeah, sure, it's basically NY open, NYSC. So usually around 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, around those times, there's volume, right? That's all Eastern time, right? Hey Luke, being away a few days, work been busy, back at it though. Now I saw you have been having some nice trade, Yassine. Yeah, Yassine is on the roll. Yassine is on the roll, man. Good. Pretty good.
Buy?
Yes. But I only took one entry because it's risky since this previous candle didn't close above the QP, right? So it's still risky. Look, I took a smaller risk here. DJ looking pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 12 minutes left. Yeah, Tom, GJ looks pretty good, nice now.
Yeah.
I think I need to put my desk on bullish mode. That's what we were missing yesterday. Let's do this. Do it. What the hell? Go. Et Sacha, quand le prix. Et Sacha. Ah, c'est Gab, ok. Et Sacha, quand le prix arrive sur le Golden Zone, prends-tu position tout de suite ou tu attends une chandelle qui confirme ton buy ou sell? Ah oui, j'attends toujours une chandelle qui va confirmer parce que à l'époque, la stratégie était un petit peu différente. Je le prenais aussitôt qu'il rentrait dans le Golden Zone, puis j'avais tellement de pertes versus des gains que maintenant je jumelle cette stratégie-là avec d'autres choses. C'est pour ça que je dis que je trade pas basé sur le Golden Zone. Pour moi, c'est juste un indice sur le marché. Donc c'est pour ça que je n'utilise pas ça pour baser mon idée de trade. En fait, pour confirmer mon trade, euh, j'utilise vraiment comme un indice. En fait, oui, ça peut être une confirmation, mais je sais pas si tu comprends ce que je veux dire, là, mais ce que je veux dire, c'est que je fais pas mon film et je dis, ah, ok, ben, je trade juste basé là-dessus. C'est vraiment pas basé strictement là-dessus. C'est vraiment juste un indice sur le marché. Espérant que ça répond à ta question. Yeah, I don't want GG to push harder than this.
Otherwise, the stock's too big.
Yeah, I just want to be just like that. That would be actually pretty good.
Yeah, like that would be perfect.
It's gonna be a little tight because we got 13, 14 pips. But I think with volume we should be able to break this. What's up with
GG, don't move.
What's up with that rain? It was supposed to be nice out there.
Ready?
Yeah, it's raining.
Next year.
Yassine, yeah, man, just been keeping it simple and taking easy trade. Yeah, that's it, man. Taking easy trade, I think, is the best thing to do. You know, sometimes we try to complicate stuff way too much, way too much. Ok, alors dans ce cas, si la chandelle 30 minutes ferme bullish, ce serait un indice, right? Oui, exactement, absolument. Still in that GA trade? Yeah, still in that GA trade. Yes, sir. Still in that G. Waiting to see where it's gonna close. To decide what I'm gonna do. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do when it come for you? You check message here. Oh, we got Mike. Oh, Mike. Mike send It's a beautiful day and I can't stop myself from smiling. Oh man, Mike is so happy. That's pretty cool. That's pretty good. Mm. What?
Oh, GG, that's perfect. This would be awesome.
We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Four minutes left. 4 minutes left. With GJ, are you going to take buy on the candle open or wait to create a bottom wick? No, I'll grab an entry on the opening of the candle, and I'm probably gonna grab a second entry on the retracement down, using dynamic risk. Come on, GA, break that shit. This one's risky, man. I felt a little I felt a little cowboy in this one.
GG is a little bit quick.
Yeah. This one was super risky. $8.27. Got 3 minutes. What's up, GJ? GJ look good. Mm. So 15 minutes. If you look at 15 minutes on GJ, closing golfing above this QP.
Needs to close above 500.
Pretty nice, but we need this. Well, now it's okay because this 15-minute. Oh no, actually it's 28. We'll only have 2 minutes left. Yeah, definitely needs this candle to break above here. Close above, I mean. GA definitely needs to stay above this QP.
Yeah, they both need to sleep.
Yeah.
There you go. Nice.
Got 50-ish seconds.
It was magic key.
All right, GA looking good now. Awesome.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome. Profit target. I'm gonna use 15 pip partial TPs, and 11 pips. My stop is gonna be at break even. And the reason why is we got this resistance here, so we're gonna be careful. But I think that target's gonna be right around here. Final target for my runners. Oops, got to snap the entry. So I took an entry here. So yeah, so target's gonna be in that H4 bearish golden zone. So final TP is gonna probably this major QP here, but I think right here in this zone, like 149, 900 should be a good target. Can we retrace down a little bit so I can grab a second entry, please? There we go. Come on, come on, come down, come more. A little bit more. Doesn't want to go. Come on, go. Come down. I said down. GG. Okay, it's respecting the QP pretty well. All right. Grab a second entry. What about GA? Oh, GA is looking good. Oh, wow. GA is pushing. This close right above and this one already pushing pretty hard. This GA. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo-wee. Am I gonna get a double win again? That would be amazing. Holy GA is pushing. We are at 5 pip profit on GA and 5 pip profit also on GJ.
That's looking nice.
Looking pretty good. Let's put this auto break even. Partial TP right here. Good. All right, all right. Looking good, looking good. Oh, yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir.
Come on. I have one entry almost at 8 pips.
Yeah, my second entry is at 7 pips.
Yeah, me too. 7 pips.
Basically, target is like my partial TP is set at 677. 677. Right, kind of here somewhere. Stop is right here, and yeah. But auto break even's gonna hit at 11. Nice GJ. Oh, Mark the Stash is on YouTube. So look like GA is on the move also. This is good. This is good. 8:30 and Y open volume should push this thing up, right? Do it. Do it. Let's go. Let's go, G. Let's go. GAGJ. Let's start doing recording songs. I'm gonna do my own copyrights. Come on, man. No fake out here. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. GA. Don't do this. Looking good. Look. All right, guys, don't forget to give a like to the stream. We can get to 40 like easily. We're missing 6. Let's do it. Smash that like button, guys. Smash it good. Do you think GG will go to 750 QP and create a new high? There's a big chance, yes. Big chance we're gonna end up in this H4 golden zone somewhere, you know. And you have resistance here. So I think that can be a really good target here. 149,900. So let's go. Let's go. 10 pips on that second entry.
I closed one entry at 10 pips.
There we go. Nice win, Mr. Miller.
Finally.
Nice win, Mr. Miller. Yes, sir, Miller.
Yes, sir, Miller.
So that's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. What about GA? Oh, GA is on the move also. Yay. Yay. It looked like GJ is gonna trigger first though.
Yeah.
Look like GJ is, yeah, getting some power.
All right, guys, I'm gonna head out. All right.
All right, take care, buddy. Take care, Yassine.
Your week is done, buddy. You've done enough.
Yeah. I'm taking it easy.
Yeah, leave some for us, man.
Yeah.
All right.
Man.
All right.
Man, dogs are getting pigs, man. They're eating all the pips for themselves. What's up with that? Gab, all right. Yes, sir, Miller. Kelly Combs, Rockfest. Yes, sir, Miller. Yes, sir, Miller. Alors, c'est clair, là. On ramène les grands classiques ici, là. On ramène les grands classiques. What do you after trading session? Oh, this week I'm on vacation, so I'm just chilling. But usually I work, but I work pretty much when GA, what the
GA, man.
Oh, dude, it is sitting on my auto break even. Man, this is amazing. Let's go. I just need a tiny push. I just need a tiny push. You get it? Come on. It's literally like 0.2 pips away from that auto break even. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Come on, GJ. We need a push. We need a push. We need a push. 30. Dun, 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 dun. What's this organic? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Man, there's volume because I see that candle going back and forth and back and forth. There's some volume in it. So dun, 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 dun. Man, it's getting got the zone right here. Whoops. It's kind of hard. You know what? On GA, I'm gonna change something. Since this zone is really close, I'm gonna put that partial at 12 pips because seems like they're having some issues here. And right now, I'm gonna remove my auto break even, and I'm gonna put myself at break even on GA. So that's my entry here. Because I've been like to 8 pips profit, and I don't want to let that winner turn into a loser. What about GA? Yeah, it's having some issues right here with this resistance here. And what about GJ? GJ same thing. Well, what the hell? Oh, what's up with that?
I'm all out.
What's up with that, man? What time is it? 42? So GA is about to hit TP. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, baby. Come on. 10.2. Go. 10 pips. I'm missing 2 pips. Give me 2 pips. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, shit. 10.6. 10.8. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So, yeah, I switched my partial TP at 12 pips because I think there's a problem with this resistance here on the left. So, come on, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Uh-huh, uh-huh. 10.5. All right. So, tiny push, tiny push. Let's do it. It wants to do it. Come on. Playing games with me, man. It's sitting on that TP. Come on. What's up with GJ coming down now? Here we go. Here we go. Man, it's so close. Oh, what's up with GJ? What the focusing on GA now? GJ's giving me trouble? What the fuck I did? Oh, because I'm trying to move my stop. It doesn't want to let me. What? What's up with that? What time is it? 45. So that new 15-minute coming, create a bottom wick. 15-minute close with no wick at the bottom. So if you look at that here, so yeah, I think this was a break and retest here on that QP. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be patient here. Yeah. Oh man, I can't believe it, G. G was so close, man. Not even funny how close it was. Like this is 667, right? So 667 is right there. Look at this. It's a tiny, tiny thing. Holy. Sasha Gold. Um, yeah, if you send your chart, I'll take a look at it for sure. What time is it now? What, 8:46? Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Mark, man, GJ, me titille. I'm taking second entry now on GJ. Oh, nice. Sasha, what broker do you have? Black Bull Market. Black Bull Market. The link is in my description. By the way, if you use this link, you're gonna be upgraded to Prime account without the minimum deposit. So, t'es pas BE sur. J'ai pas mis mon BE sur GJ parce que j'ai plus confiance en GJ. GA, c'est parce que c'était vraiment sketchy. Mais GJ, ce que je vois là, sur le 15 minutes, c'est un break retest. And now we should continue up. Break retest of that QP, right? So, c'est pour ça que je garde de la confiance envers ce trade. Puis, il reste encore 15 minutes à mon entrée. Fait que je vais attendre de voir comment ça va. Après 10 pips, non, j'ai pas monté à 10 pips. Ah, ben oui, ma deuxième position, oui. Ma deuxième position était à 10 pips. Mais, ouais, j'attendais de voir qu'est-ce qui arrivait avec ma première position. Is there a way for us clients to use Black Bull? For US clients. I don't think so, no, unfortunately. Yeah, Trader's Domain will be the best option. Sasha, are you trading gold today? Big drop pending. Oh, I never trade gold. I look at gold sometimes. I call trades on gold that it's been working pretty well. But I don't trade it personally. I focus on GJ and GA. She's such a bitch, man. It was so close to my TP. What's going on with GJ Luke? Not much. GJ is doing his thing, right? So we still have like 10 minutes left in this candle. So just need to make sure it continue bullish and should be fine. But of course, if this close bearish, oh, I'm gonna be start to wonder. Is there a way for if you are in the US / Canada, use this broker. If you are in the US Canada, use this broker. I don't know which broker. Let's see here. There's a chart, but I can already say that this chart is not gonna work from Batara. Pretty sure this chart's not gonna work, but let's try. You got this here. Oh yeah, that doesn't work. Yeah, you need to get from the \x to the end. So GA is back at it now. Back to 8 pips profit. GJ is GJ. Oh what? 15. Oh what the? Yeah. I'm trailing my stop like right at the body candle right here. Because I guess if we're coming back down over here, I mean, trade's going to be invalid anyways, so at this stage. So just reduce my risk, right? But right now, first position still at 4 pips. Second position kind of at break even, like 0.1 pip profit. GA playing game again. Yeah, so that gold chart didn't work. So basically, when you send chart, you need to go here. You need to select from the \x to the end. We have now 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. Do this skill. Boom, boom, boom. By the way, actually, if you look at H1, if this H1 closed like this, it's going to be pretty nice also. GJ. So, it's going to be a nice support on H1. Just need to make sure we close above that 500 QP. For GJ, 1 hour, same concept. GA, I mean. Oh, so now G is coming back to my entry. Oh, now I'm going to stop at break even. Yeah, stop at break even here on GA. So boom, gone. All right. What about GJ? All right, so now all my hope are on GJ. That sucks, man, because GA came really close. It was like 0.2 pips, I think, from my TP. It is what it is. Yeah, because I'm trying to aim for a little bit more pips. So of course, if I would have aimed for 10 pips, I would have secure, and it's what it is. But at least I went break even. I didn't lose anything. So let's focus now. GJ. Gonna make sure this 1 hour close bullish above this QP. I guess the 8:30 NY open volume didn't give us a lot of volume. I guess now next movement is gonna be around like 9:30. Yes, Mark the Stash says need to close above 500. Definitely needs to close above 500. If not, I'm gonna be closing probably one of the two positions. This is gonna be also the close of this 4 hour. Just a couple minutes, and it's closing pretty nicely with a nice wick fill potential here to this golden zone. So yeah, but something we need to understand is now if we need to go up, this next candle is gonna have to print a bottom wick first and continue up after. I would love to secure my profits before that, but it is what it is. Price is coming back up now. Finally back. Looking good.
Yalla, yalla, yalla.
Yalla, yalla, yalla. Yalla, yalla. Come on, baby. Give it to me, baby.
Timing is our core win.
Yes.
One GG goes yalla yalla.
Yalla, yalla. If H1 closed above 500 QP, could we enter a trade with stop below the current 30-minute candle? It can be a good idea. It can be yeah, it can be a trade opportunity. Yeah. If stop are too big, you can use percentage instead of fixed lot. Dun, 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 dun. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? All right, all right. We got 3 minutes left, man. 3 minutes left. Can we have a last minute push, like a 6-7 pip push? That would be amazing. But I guess not. What the hell? GG is playing game with me right now. Yeah, it's this close right now. Need to make sure H1 close like this. And 30 minutes close like a doji, so it's gonna be a write-off candle. But we have 1 minute left.
This same thing happened to me today, kind of like you yesterday. When I entered, my spread instead of being less than 1 pip, it was 3 pip.
That's crazy.
Like it's happening at 8:30. Last couple. Either.
Dun, 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 dun. $20 seconds left. There we go. Nice, nice. Really nice. Really nice. All right, so this H1 closed very nice on H1. Very nice. Big body candle above this QP. So now price needs to come down, form that bottom wick, and push back up. Looking at 30-minute, close above, broke previous high, respected previous low. So technically should be good. Should be good. Continue up. Yeah, we stayed above 500, so we should tap at least into that 750 QP. Yeah. Almost broke that high already. We had this bottom wick here, but it's not big, but at least we got one. H4 Yeah, H4 just started. H4 closed very nice, bullish, nice wick to feel here on H4. So I guess yes, this would be my TP. I guess yes, this would be my final TP.
Are you adjusting your stop loss on GJ?
My stop loss, I trailed it. Trailed it here.
You're not gonna move it to the other
Oh, yes. Now it just closed, so you can trail it like kind of right here. You know, so, right here. So now I'm risking like 4.8 pips. You know, but anyways, it's gonna move to break even in 3, 2, 1. Oh, almost. I'm missing 0.2 pip. Come on. The wick is literally touching that pink line. Seriously, man. You're not gonna do that twice today. Yeah, because my auto break even is set up 11 pips. It was literally at 10.8 pips. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Come on, come on, come on. Baby, come on. Oh, here we go. 8. Actually, I guess it went to 11 pips then. It went to 11 pips. It just didn't trigger. $10.9. Fuck me. This thing is just playing with my patience, man. DJ's testing me right now. It's like, man, you sure you don't want to close now? You should close now. And it's gonna wait for me to close now and push. So I'm like, I'll wait. But I will trail my stop manually then. So I'm gonna be trailing my stop right here under that previous 30-minute. I was so sure that auto breaking even was triggered. Man, seriously. Just annoying. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm at 11.6, 11.9, 12 pips. Oh, this is my first entry. That's why. My second entry. That's why. That is why. Okay, now I understand. Yeah. The first entry is at 9 pips, so basically I'm missing 2 pips. There we go! Finally! Jesus! That was about time. Funny. So stop at break even now. Alright. So I'm gonna close one of the 2 position, I guess. Gonna close this one at actually it's gonna hit it, man. There's volume. Volume. I'm missing literally 4 pips for that first entry. And as soon as this first entry hits 15 pips, I'm gonna close it manually. I'm like at 12 now. Alright, so I'm gonna secure that position here at 12 pips, I guess. Alright, so I close one position in full at 12 pips. Now let's see if we can get this first entry at 15 pips. It was pushing pretty well, so I was like, let's wait. Alright, right. Going back at it. All right, so that was a pretty good win here. I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy, pretty happy. I'm gonna move my stop in a tiny bit of profit. Here we go. Because I hate seeing red. Karen Hawk, hi Sasha, Phil, and Mark, the stash. Oh, Karen, what's up? What's up? What's up? Hey guys, don't forget to give a like to the stream. Just got that GA trade that went to 12 pip profit. So if you were aiming for 10, 11 pips, you got your profit on GA. Unfortunately, I was aiming for a little bit more. So got stopped out at break even, and GJ just went to 12 pips profit. Actually, went to 13. I closed at 12 pips profit. Now I got one position running, and we'll see where it goes. So, FX Light Mike got 10 pips and got out. Nice trade. All right, good job. Don't forget to give a like to the stream. GG was delicious. It was. Do you think it's all right to add another position? Why would you do this? Especially right at resistance. I mean, I don't think it makes sense. Definitely don't want to add a position right now. But H1 broke previous high. Technically, we should continue up now. 4 hours, you know, I still think that 4 hours needs to create a bottom wick first before going up, but yes. So now stops at break even. Actually, it's a little bit of profit here, right here. My partial is set at 663. So 663. I moved it a little bit. And the reason why is I see that we are having issue here with this resistance. So it's gonna be like a 14 pip ish profit on this this trade. Like actually I set it up at 12.8 exactly. So looks like I'm gonna trigger it. Looks like we're going. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. To position in profit. Let's go. Let's go. Give it to me. Give it to me. So close. I'm in 11 pips right now. 11.4. Let's go. So let's go. Let's go. Do it, baby. Let's do it. You can do it. I'm missing. Yeah. Man, I can't believe like the trade has been teasing me. 10.4. Missing one pip. It's just the satisfaction to hit that line, man. It's just like I don't know what it is with that. It's just like so. That's such a huge satisfaction. 10.6. Oh, what? He didn't do that to me. Really? Man, you should see that picture. I'm telling you, it's been this from the 3 trades. Literally, the wick is touching that pink line. A little push. Here we go. Up. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Now it's time. If the thing doesn't trigger now, and if it goes to back to 11 pips, I'm just gonna close it. Starting to be a little impatient here. AJ is playing games. Look at this. It's literally touching it. Do you see it? Just like right on it. I can't believe it. Yeah, I don't like this. I think I'm gonna close manually here at 5 pips. Especially that I'm a little anxious, and the reason why it's that new 4 hour is getting me a little, you know, because now we went up and it looks like now we want to come down. So, yeah, being a little anxious. Especially that it's just teasing my line. Seriously. So let's take a look at this 15-minute candle. It's gonna close now. Oh, actually, in 3 minutes. What? All right, all right. Playing game. Jean-Philippe Côté, Karen Ox, hold it. If it's not this week, next month, it will tap it. Oh, what? Hold on, wait a second. Do you think it's all right to do? Okay. My entry was at 148,880. Whoa. Can I get my first 100 pips trade? Holy. 148,880. Wait a second. The 8. Oh, right here. Woo, sheesh. That's pretty good, Karen. That's pretty good. Good job. That's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. I'm back to 5 pips. Because I know I'm right, but. Hmm. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I don't like this. I think I'm gonna close here. I know I'm gonna do that and it's gonna shoot up. So let's close 50%. So I just closed 50% at 4.5 pips. So this was my second position, right? So I'm gonna let the runner run. If I get stop at break even, actually my stop's in tiny bit of profit. We'll see how it goes. And yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, man, that's it. What time is it now? Oh shit, this is 9:15. But I'm not working. I'm on vacation, so I can chill. Um, let's see here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, the market is always right. Close it with 2 pips profit. Don't like it at all. Yeah, it's kind of tricky right now. Jean-Philippe, I had never been this patient. And boom, skyrocket. It will do that. I know. You see, now it's back to 7 pips profit. It's Murphy Law. La loi de Murphy. Better to close profits rather than waiting for 1 pip. May lead into less pip due to 4-hour bottom wick still not properly created. Great trade, Sasha. Thank you very much. Thank you. So yeah, so that second position went to, was it 12 pips profit that I closed? I think it was 12 pips profit on the second entry. My first entry closed at almost 5 pips. Now this 50% is up to 9 pips now. Finally, are we gonna trigger it? Jesus.
I need to go, man.
Thank you. Take care, buddy. Yeah, right on the 618. Shit. Yes. Man, that resistance is a pain in the butt. But something I want to test though is usually that 9. Oh yeah, so I need to wait for this candle to close. I want to test something after that. What about GA? Oh, look at this. GA actually went to my TP. This motherfucker. Yeah, I should have been just more patient and leave my stuff where it was. And yeah, went straight to TP, man. So I guess that was a pretty good trade. Also, I know there's some people who got profits from that trade that we called. So congrats on you guys. I was aiming for a little bit more pips, so kind of tricked me out. Alright, so now this thing's coming down again. Holy man. GG's pain in the butt, man. Pain in the butt. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm closing full right here. 4 pips. Thank you very much. Have a good day. And I'm probably gonna cry because it's probably gonna hit my TP. But you know what? I'm done. Anyways, I reached my daily. I don't really have a daily goal, but I have something in mind. But I was happy with profit, so decided to close it.
I close it with 12 pips when it just taps into the.
Yeah, and now of course, price gonna shoot up. But it's okay. I'm okay with it. It's always like that. Always. So I guess that was a pretty good win here. So we need some who let the dogs out. So let's publish that. Wait a second, I'm gonna mute myself. All right, all right. All right, so I guess yeah, I guess that's it. So I think that was yeah, you know what? Close it, went back up. Now just playing games, man. Just playing games. But yeah, I'm out. I took this trade out, so yeah. And what about GA? GA is yeah, GA went to profit, man. That one I'm really not mad, but just pissed me off because I had the right idea. Guess it's part of the game. So we had this double bottom, we had this dogtail set up here for break and retest of that neckline. Yeah, GJ, same thing here. We had this break and retest here. This neckline was right here. So break, retest, touch that golden zone, and yeah. But now the problem is that new 4 hours. That's the issue right here. Let's see here. Okay, I think it will retest the H4 golden zone. Oh yes, yes, it will go in there. Probably like 149, 900, right around there. Thanks, Asha. That was a nice dogtail. A bit stressful, but it always worked. Yes. I see that patience at a high time frame really pays. Oh yes, high time frame man is better, way better. 15-minute is a super duper weak confirmation time frame. All right. Dinner break over. Bye all. Take care. Oh, this is Luke. All right, all right. One loss to win. Malik, great job, man. Same here, Malik. Good session. Thanks, guys. Gotta go. Ryan, awesome. Man, student are making money. Pretty good. Boom. So I guess yeah, we're gonna end this right to do here. The only thing I want to test is that dogtail setup on that NY open candle, which is NYSC candle, sorry. And look at this. Look at this thing's gonna tap my TP. My TP was 667, right? So 667. 667. Let's put it right here. And of course, it's gonna tap. Of course. Of course. Look at this. Oh shit. And I will be freaking out right now because it went up there and retraced again. GJ is just playing with it. But that tells you that this resistance is pretty strong, right? So Sasha, we really missed you in the family, but all the best with your project. Oh, thank you very much, boss. 506. Very appreciate those words. Thank you, thank you. But I'll be back. I'll be back. You know, I'll be jumping sometimes on Raja's stream for sure. You know, still part of the group. Just that I need to. Who is that? Just need to invest more time with students, right? So, we got a lot of new students and want to make sure that they get the time that they deserve. Who is that? I see you guys. See you, Malik. Take care. Have a great day. Karen, always good, Sasha. Thanks, boss. Yes, definitely do that. I will for sure, man. For sure. Like I said, I'm just waiting for this candle to close. I want to see if this gonna work. Basically what I'm trying here is the new dog NYSC setup, which is basically that would be the break of this high. There's gonna be a stop right here. So like, oh, it's not even 10 pips. Let's do 11. So that would do 11 pips for sure right here. Yeah, I'm just curious to see if that's gonna work. Sorry guys, so I guess I'm gonna be closing this awesome stream. As always, Sasha, thank you very much. Jason, bro, do your thing. Bro, do your thing. Bro, do your thing. And doing better than Raja. Oh, I don't think so, but I don't know. I have no clue. I cannot judge that. So, all right. So, guys, thank you very much. Thank you for tuning in. I'll be live tomorrow night for Forex Talk over beer. We'll go over trades. Oh, this is a chart coming on from Ryan. So let's take a look at this first. Before leaving. So I guess this is GU. Oh, look at Ryan. Nice trade here. The price came down. Same as GJ, eh? Price came down. Boom. And you got profit, what, at, ooh, 20 pips?
I'm not sure. I cut it off. I cut my runner off earlier as it was coming back down, but
Okay.
I'm taking my pen and then those two runners.
Way to go, Ryan. Good job, man. Very good. Look at this. Look at this coming back. Oh, and hit my TP. Oh, gosh. I knew it. I knew it. GJ, I ate you sometime.
Were you out already, Sasha?
What? Yeah, no, I closed my run at 5 pips. I'm like, screw this shit. It's just like it's playing with that. The only thing was that 4-hour candle. It's just like it was like getting me nervous a little bit.
Yeah, I closed my runner on that one too.
Oh man, straight into my TP, man. Holy, every single time. Man, it did that on GA also. So now this is another lesson today. I just need to stick with my idea, right? And that's it. And if I get stopped, I get stopped. Fuck it. Whatever. All right. Karen, did you see how patients pay? Yes, patient does pay. But yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, Jason, life of a trader. Yeah, man, always look at this thing now. It's gonna shoot up like crazy. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. In that last minute, you see, we're missing 10 seconds left now. So I think this new candle, if we break this high, put stop right around here, we aim for 15 pips. That should do it. Oh, this is my robot, so I guess this is the call for me to end the stream. So thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow night. Take care, guys. Have a great day.